My package came from Stewmac already. Their shipping is always super fast. And I must have been visited by a magical redaction fairy because it's already redacted. What are you doing on my table, spray paints? You're not in this scene. I actually got these because I'm going to be painting some guitar pedals that I'm building. That's in future videos. Now I should use my gimbal and show you the unboxing. This is a clone of a super expensive boutique pedal, and when it came out, I had to buy it! And I have a gimbal now. Makes you wonder where the POV scenes from earlier came from. All right, how do we... cut it open first and then show the peeps. Duh. Sun Fuzz. Focus! Sun Fuzz, which is a clone of the Analog Man Sunface pedal. And check it out. Oh, look. My invoice is also magically redacted because magic is magical. Stewmac happens to sell carbon composite resistors, and I looked at what kind of resistors that Analog Man uses on his Sunface pedals, and that's what kind he uses. So I want this to sound as good as possible. So check it out. Instructions, toss. Stickers for labeling things, toss. The case, components, stuff. Like so. You gotta be subscribed to my YouTube channel so you can watch me build this thing and do some sound tests. I bought some other, what are they called? I bought some other transistors as well as I own of a whole bunch of different kinds of transistors. So you gotta be subscribed so you can hear what it sounds like after I build it. And I'm also gonna be doing a build guide sort of thing video. Yeah.